Hi, I'm Kathy Perryman, and this is Stump Granny, as if they could stump me.
Hey you guys, so I have a pretty big and crazy family, and my big mama knows everything about us, and I would say that she's the queen of all of our family knowledge. So since Christmas is gonna be a lot different this year and we won't really be able to be together, I was able to get together with some of my family and we dug into our family history on Ancestry.
Kind of looks like Uncle Larry.
I wonder why they called him Orange.
Oh my gosh!
We found out a lot of cool stuff, and so I'm super excited to quiz my big mama and see how much she really knows. All right, everyone, and here is the star of the show, Big Mama. Are you ready?
I am so ready, and I'm so excited because you all are doing this on my 50th wedding anniversary.
You have all three of your kids and a few of your oldest grandchildren here. First round. First, we want to start just seeing how well you actually know yourself. So, we went through and discovered your high school yearbook and some fun things to quiz you on. So, are you ready? We learned that you were in a a cappella group. For a point, can you sing us a song right now?
Yes.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Alrighty, you get the point. Next question. We learned that you were a part of the Future Homemakers of America committee in high school. What in the world was this Future Homemakers class? I never had that in high school.
That class was what all of you girls need. That taught you how to sew, how to cook. Oh yes, how to iron. We make aprons.
I feel like this is like Housewives 101 or something.
Future housewives.
You were in the track team in high school. There was a man few years older than you that went on to break the world record for the 200 meters and was featured in one of the most iconic photos of all time.
Tommy Smith?
Yes! You got the point! Yes!
I did not know he was from Clarksville.
His Black Power salute became one of the most powerful symbols
Yes.
in the history of the Black Power movement.
His mother and my grandmother were very close friends. They settled in the same area here in California.
I did not know that. One of your favorite holidays for all of us to spend together is the 4th of July. Family barbecue, Papa be on the grill, and you like to serve, and sorry, but we like to eat. Something else was super significant for our family member. In 1867, around Independence Day, can you guess why or what it could have been?
They were probably having a barbecue.
No, it would have been a celebration.
Oh. Thanksgiving? Voting!
Yes, you got it right. So Wilson Latimer was born in 1840 in Virginia and had most likely been enslaved. So for him to have been registered to vote only 2 years after the Civil War is so special.
Oh my God! I'm gonna cry.
Did you know anything about him?
No, never heard his name before even. I think that that's an amazing heritage to have, to know that our family has been a part of something that's so important and so significant to a people and to a nation.
Yeah.
That is, wow.
That's phenomenal.
I got chills all over when you were reading that. I could not believe how beautiful that was.
Wow.
Really big deal. So I'm super proud. This picture is one of our family members. But do you know which family member it is?
But I think that's probably my mother's father, Allard Edward Latimer.
It is.
Oh my goodness.
Who does he remind all of us of?
Uncle Larry.
Yeah. Everyone thinks.
I've never seen that picture. That is amazing.
All right, so I'm gonna bring up another picture. In 1940, 2 of your great uncles actually registered to be drafted for the Second World War.
Oh, this is amazing.
Can you guess the middle name of Bernard Latimer? This is one of your great uncles.
Would it be, let's see, Love?
Yes.
Okay, yes. We always called him Uncle Love.
Okay, so do you guys want to know how many points Big Mama actually got? Big Mama, you have done completely amazing in this whole quiz and have really blown all of us away with knowing so much of our history.
Our family has been such a contributor in every way, from serving in the armed forces, being voters, and being businessmen and women, and it's still going on. We're still carrying the torch.
Woo!
Woo, woo.